Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the teaser of Godrej Premium Kharadi Pune and developed by Godrej Properties. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the entrance of the sales office and these are the surroundings of the road. The road being shown to you is the Kharadi Road. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview. Godrej Premium will be constructed on 13 acres of land parcel, which will be comprising 11 towers having ground plus 3 podiums plus 30 floors, which will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. As you can see, on the left side of me is the land parcel of the project, and behind the land parcel is the sales office of the project, which is still under construction. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located in Kharadi, Pune. As you can see, इस प्रोजेक्ट के सामने जो रोड है वो है खराड़ी रोड, जो कि प्रोजेक्ट से राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है मांजरी से, और प्रोजेक्ट के लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है खराड़ी से. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Decathlon Wagholi, which is within 4.3 kilometers, D-Mart Wagholi, which is within 2.2 kilometers, and Barclays LTS campus, which is within 1.1 kilometers. तो चलिए अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के amenities के बारे में. This project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, multi-purpose court, children's play area, senior citizen sit-out area and many more. तो चलिए अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ इस प्रोजेक्ट के carpet area के बारे में. Godrej Premium project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 2 BHK starting from 725 to 750 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 875 to 1250 square feet, and 4 BHK starting from 1550 to 1650 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Godrej Premium Kharadi, Pune and developed by Godrej Properties. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.